name is Irene Tiller, and this is the Irene Tiller Cooks. In case it's your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. And here we do random recipes, just anything lovely that you can imagine can prepare at your home. You'll always find it on this amazing channel. So on today's video, I'm going to do a couple of activities, guys. I'll be taking you through a lot of activities that I want to do during this day. So first I'm going to prepare my beans, and I'm just going to prepare them for storage because these are a lot. I'm just going to boil them, and then later on we'll use them. Later on I store them for future use. So leo niko na yellow beans, and guys, in this house we don't have specific what tunapika tu ile imekufurahisha, like zile zimeisha we had the red kidney. Sasa hizi yellow beans, wash them, then I take them aside.
I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact, never looking back. I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
So for my beans, guys, I usually boil them at just take them
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the love, if you want it bad, I'll show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, cause I ain't never been, I'll be #1, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like the gun, shooters gonna shoot it, I'm gonna shoot it till I want it, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
Tumia mzuri nitachukua ingine. Mara tatu. Kilo mbili. Kwa kilo moja mara tatu. Hivyo.
Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact, never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope let me in.
Umemaliza?
Moja.
Sawa. Haya.
I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art. It's my only medicine. Yeah.
Sini dia.
Haya.
Sasa watu wajua nimechukua shilingi ngapi?
Hizi mchagua hapa.
Hata chukua huyu boys wetu. Yeah. Medium. Next. Yeah, 60. Welcome back, guys, and for sure I feel so exhausted. I feel so tired, but there's nothing I can do about it because this is the day I had planned that I have to go and buy my groceries. I feel like I need to refill my fridge, to refill part of my groceries that I feel like zimeisha. So I had to leave my beans still cooking, though by the time nilikuwa natoka zilikuwa zimebaki tu kidogo tu ziive. And then pia penye nilikuwa naenda, it's not far away from where I stay, ni hapa tu kwa mtaa. Hapa tu kwa mtaa. So the problem was that what I was going to buy is not that I was going to buy at one place. The problem was that ukitaka kitu fulani ni kwa nani, ukitaka kitu fulani ni pale, ukitaka kitu fulani huko. So it was really it was really tiresome. You can imagine umebuy, una move na vitu tena unabuy unaenda huko, but there's nothing you can do about that. And guys, there's one thing I really like you to note. When I went to buy my groceries, or when I went to buy what I was going to buy, I went to buy what I really need, or what I usually use. It's not that I went to buy what I should have. Did you come and get, guys? So I went to buy what I need, I personally need, or what I personally use. So I'm just going to unbox what I bought with you. Zile za kupanga nipange, zile za kuosha nioshe before I panga. So yeah, let's do this together. I don't know where to start from, but let me just start from anywhere. As long as tumeshikanisha where we're going and what is happening. So I'll start with this ones. Actually bought some bread for tomorrow. Bought some bread for tomorrow. And then this one, snacks. Chevda, come on, so chevda. And then I bought some milk for baby Sophie. Hizi nilipata supermarket. This one for baby Sophie. Za kwenda nayo shule. Anashikwa na homa, so we don't want majuice ama nini. It's better if we buy maziwa than majuice. And then some biscuits. Ajaona Kinder Joy, by the way. Vila meruka hapa ajaona. We also bought for her the Kinder Joy, some yogurt. Hizi extra biscuits, hizi ni snacks tu zake za shule. And then hizi ni samosa. Na ilibidi tumechukua mbili. The spicy ones na hizo non-spicy for Sophie. And then these are now the meat. And for me, about the meat, na kuanganisha portion. Nishanunua, I tell them to portion for me like in a kg. They can do 3. Yeah, see ati zote pamoja. So these are the sizes, even though I'm coming portion here. These ones. So ziko kadhaa. Nitazipanga tu baadaye. And then nikapitia sokoni, and sokoni ndio sasa hapo niko biased. Hapo ndio nakwambia I had to go from this side to the other side to the other side na huko because of my people. Nikachukua minji for the lovers of minji. I love minjis. And then I have the warus, these ones. And then I also bought some tomatoes. And for my tomatoes, I'm just going to put them here in the sink because I need them washed. I usually wash them before I store them. So nitaziweka tu hapa zote. Na pia tomatoes, guys. I usually go to my people. Kwa watu wangu wale na feel, these are my buddies. At least hao wanakuongeza kamoja ama kawili. And like some people can buy even for certain amount, unaweza hata kuongeza kamoja. So I go to tomato people. And then I bought some lemon. Me, I love lemons. We love lemons in this house, especially ukiweka kwa maji. And then I got some onions. And then I also got some fruits, oranges, and then the avocados. Avocados go season, guys. So sijui kama nimegongwa. One was going for 30 bob. One avocado was going for 30 bob. But ni zile tamu. Nimaibai kwake nikaona ziko tamu. So, and then the small one, these small ones were going for 15 bob. This zingine 30 bob. And then the oranges, one was going for 30 bob. So that is it, what I bought, guys. I want to wash the ones that are supposed to be washed. Zile za kupangwa nipange, and then yeah. So guys, I'm going to start with the meat. Ndio zituondoke hapa zisituondoke. So about the meat, naziweka hapa. Nazistack like 3 like this. And then nafunga because of space. Like this. So naona like hapa ndani ziko 3. So that is how I usually do. Nazifunga hivi alafu naeka kwa fridge. The same. Kuna saa nyingine zinatoshea 3. Kuna saa nyingine zinatoshea 4. It depends vile wamezifunga. tena nazifunga hivi. And then also here niweke kwa hii. So that is how I usually do for my nyama. Ndio ukitaka kutumia ita depend to with the number of people unatumia. Kama ni mbili you can remove mbili. Kama uko peke yako kamoja kamekutosha and all that.
Till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Keep my.
These are another big containers. Hizi nataka niwekelee maragwe. My maragwe is already cooked. Imeshapoa. So pia this one I usually place them in the big containers even.
Get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Is my tomatoes, and my tomatoes I usually wash them. So let me get the rack that I usually put my tomatoes. And for my tomatoes, guys, I usually wash them before I store them. I'm going to wash them one by one. Kabla zote zitaisha. So this is it for my tomatoes, guys. Huwa naziosha tu hivi, naziweka kwa hii rack, and then I place them in the fridge. And for the tomatoes, guys, mi huwa napata tu zenye zishaiva. I don't like ati una choose zenye ziko karibu kuiva. I used to do that, but nikapata ukiweka kwa fridge zinabaki tu hivyo. So nikaona it's better nikuwa nanunua tu zenye zishaiva. Hata zikikaa 1 week hazitakuwa zimeharibika. So next is my oranges. Avocado.
So I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
So guys, actually I'm done. Let's see the final look. Yeah, that's my freezer. And guys, can you imagine all the beef and all the beans that I prepared are all inside there. And for these ones, actually ni zile zilikuwa before. Inakuangaje first come first out. So hizi ndo zilikuwa na tutaanza na hizo, and then that is it for the freezer. There's not much about the freezer for sure. And then huku chini, that is the look. So hapo nimeweka vitu tu zangu. Actually hizi ni majinja. And then hizo tu my other containers. Hizi ni green pea. Hapo kuna soda, and then tomato zangu by the way mi huweka kwa fridge hivi. That's how I usually do them. I wash and then I put in the fridge. And for me, about the tomatoes, I usually just buy the ready ripe. Huwa sichagui ati zile zitaiva baadaye, because I tried once na when nikeka kwa fridge zikabaki tu hivyo. So I usually just buy them when they are ready ripe. And then hapa ndio huwa naweka my potatoes, ama kama nimebuy nini zinaitwaje, potatoes ama zile matoke, but for now niko tu na hizo. And then these are the cabbage, so hiyo nimeiweka tu hapo because hiyo inakuja automatically. Tutaanza na hiyo. And then hapo chini hapo ni my lemons, avocado nimeziweka hapo. And then hapo hizo ni my chupa za soy sauce na hiyo ingine. So that is it. And then this other side hapa nimeka zinaitwaje hizi pilipili, the green chilies. Na pia ni discover the green chilies ukiweka hapa manze huwa zikui brown haraka, haziripe haraka. So hapo ndio wanaweka. And then my eggs zile nimebuy actually nimeziwacha huko juu kwa crate. And then hizo zenye zilikuwa ndio nimeziweka hapa. Tutaanza na hizo. And then these other things. So guys, that is it for my fridge. Yeah, I love it. Actually, I love the outcome. It was a busy day, but I love the outcome. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And hapa kwa vitungu guys. Yeah, these are vitungu. Vitungu saumu. Actually, we are not fan of vitungu saumu in this house. My spices tawe. And then hapo malipa snacks ni hizo nimepanga. Sasa hapa pa containers leo pamebit, containers mingi ziko ndani. So that is it guys. So thank you so much for watching my video to this point, and for sure I really do appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please press on that word subscribe. Please subscribe and be part of the Irene Taylor Cooks. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye.